Hello friends, welcome back. I'm going to change the color of her hair like that one. So I have to click on it and you could notice that how her hair color is going to be changed after the application of it. So we could also try that black hair color on it. So guys, that black color I have been chosen for it. And in the same way I could also try this color effect on it where picture is going to be like that one.